Magandang hapon mga kasandugo. So, balis ka, katatapos lang namin kumain ng hapunan. So, nandito ako sa terrace. Galing trabaho. Mga lasing, medyo traffic. Galing trabaho kanina. Dumalis ako ng job site mga 4:30. Dumating ang bahay mga 5:30 na. Alangan. Medyo busog. Grabe ang trabaho maghapon mga kasandugo. Grabe. Medyo busy kami. So ngayon dito tayo sa balcony papahinga. Kasi pag summer at saka pagtapos mo ng kain ng hapunan, masarap magtambay dito lalo kung mayroong hangin konti. Tapos yung paglubog ng araw dito makikita. So kung mapapansin nyo mga kasandugo, ito ay harap ng playground. So kaya pag summer, marami naglalaro dito. Ayan kung mapapansin nyo, marami naglalaro. Ayan yung kanya yung park. Ayan, soccer. Kaya talagang maaliw ka dito sa view. Wala dito sa taas, makikita mo sila dyan lalaro. Ayan soccer. Mga kabataan nagtitraining. Go. Kaya medyo relax din dito sa hapon. Yan, bali may gagawing kalsada. May gagawa ng kalsada pang night shift. Mag-repair ng sewer. So ayan yung ating haring araw papalubog na. Ayan. Medyo malamig yung simoy ng hangin. May kalakasan. Medyo presko. So bali mamaya kakain tayo ng dessert. Tingnan natin kung anong meron sa rep.
A few moments later.
Shout out sa inyong lahat mga kabayan. So cherry picking day. Second day in Kelowna and Vernon. So medyo maaga yung open ng cherries.
I don't know.
So bali naka-line up kami para sa entrance ng picking. So samahan nyo kami mga bayan. Ayan na, simulan na kami sa aming pila ng cherry picking.
I'll have you write down everybody's first and last name here, or here. And it'll be $8 cash or debit. Thank you.
Are you guys wanting
This one is sweet.
Yeah.
I like it. What is that though?
Pardon?
That's the lavender or?
The lapins, I believe those are the lapins, but you pour it further into the field.
It's the same thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. We get the back.
Yes, there will be someone over here to help you in just a moment.
Alright.
No, we have also.
one kind in one bucket?
Nika, get your own bucket.
6 of us is fine.
Hello. Hi. So I need to get a pail? Yes. Okay. So you guys are all together here?
Yes.
Are you guys wanting red cherries, yellow cherries, or both? The red ones? Okay. Come with me.
Yeah.
Okay. Just come with me. I'll.
That's the Lapin one?
Yeah.
I like it, sweet.
Yeah, they're very sweet. Very sweet. Okay, so that lady over there in the gray shirt and the black shorts,
Okay.
she'll show you in.
All right. Thank you. Iba kalahati. Why, right? So my kids and wife have own bucket. So ako lang may isang bucket dito.
Send everybody to the back end. But wherever you like. Okay, you pick wherever you would want to be out there.
Hello.
Hello, hello. So where the orange ribbons are, it's those 2 rows. There still is some on the right-hand side in the front part, or
Yes.
you can go on the left side, which is longer. It goes all the way to the fence line. Ladders are all on that side. Anywhere in there, right to the end.
Okay.
Okay. There was lots at the end. So,
Thank you.
but you pick wherever you like.
All right.
Okay. Yeah.
Should we go this side then, or should we go there?
Wanna go this side?
Right or left? It's up to you. Everyone's on the left. What's with the
I think it's better and right because that one is close to the road.
Yeah, but that's where everything is.
Basta. Dito, gusto maganda dito. Siya, is here. Here.
It's really small. Where do you want to go?
So many people there, so here.
You want to go here? Yeah,
Here,
here.
let's get together on this side. Huwag niyong hey, kapag kayo nagtanggal ng kwan, just be careful to drop, okay? To make it.
We'll pick our own.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Want to start by doing right here?
Okay. So, umpisa na natin ang pagpipik. We need to try first. We'll try the first one. Sarap. Kaya ang kuha niyo yung talagang redness ha. Kasi para matamis. Huwag niyo ibagsak ng ganun. Please just slow down. Para hindi siya
did.
hindi siya magpan.
Picture kasama yung kanyang tangkay.
No. Nag-enjoy yung dalawa oh. Ako nag-enjoy muna ako sa kain.
Oh my god.
Look at that thing. Look.
Yeah.
One by one. Paano may mga tangkay? Look what you get, Macy. This is the red one. Look. It's not sweet.
Oh my god. Why are you eating what I pick?
Not sweet.
Just stop eating everything.
Get the dark one. Roll it.
I'll pick.
Yeah.
One hour later.
Family farm tour.
Does she just eat it and stuff?
This is all my friends right here.
Hi.
Ang tataba ng mga kambing dito. Ang sarap yung kalderita. Ang tataba ng kambing. Papakita ko sa inyo mga boys, mga girls. Ayan. Ito yung mga sinaunang sasakyan. Mga ginagamit sa farm. Ayan. Ganda. Ano meron dito? Oh, the rabbit. Meron dyan rabbit, oh. Yan. Kuniho. Ito sa loob. Daming kambing. Pumili ka na lang.
The white one.
Look at that, look at it. How about this one?
Yes, they won't bite you. It's all their lips. They just go like that on your hand. They're very nice.
Yeah, he's asking earlier if they're full.
Yeah, no.
Not yet, buddy.
They're like empty, bottomless. They will eat so much.
Baboy. Want a pig pet? After you take care of them, you can eat. Ano na lang?
Mapakain yan.
Tanda mo, pakain mo. Eh. Oh, eh. Nahihirapan pa sila eh. Oh. One grass? Laki. Laking kambing. Oh? Ayan, oh.